Do you have multiple products that are basically the same, but you want them to share the same customer reviews? Instead of copying reviews manually for each product, there's a much faster and more efficient way to synchronize them using the Ryviu app. Let's set it up step by step. Step 1. Create a dedicated product template. First, from Shopify admin, click Online Store, and click Edit Theme of the current theme. At the top of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Homepage, then select Products, and choose Create Template. Now, enter a name for your new template. For example, skiing board. And select the source products, then click Create Template to finish this step. This template will be used for all products that you want to display the same reviews. Step 2. Assign products to the template you have created before. Next, return to your Shopify admin and go to the Products section. Open the products that you want to share reviews for. On the right side of the product page, look for the Theme Template section. Select the template you just created. Then save it. Repeat this step for all products you want to display the same reviews. Here, I added 5 products to the new template. Step 3. Add the Ryviu review widget. Now, let's add the review widget. Go back to Edit Theme and open the product template you created in Step 1. Then, select a preview item. Now, scroll down and click Add section, then navigate to Apps. Select specific product reviews. Once the widget is added, go to the widget settings and click Select. Here, you need to choose the source product. But this product must already have the reviews, as it will be the ones shared on other products. After selecting the source product, click Save. Now your selected products will automatically display reviews from that source product. You can preview it here. This saves a lot of time and keeps your reviews consistent across similar products. Step 4. Add the star rating widget. Finally, let's display the star rating under your product title. Still inside the same product template, find the product information section. Click Add Block and select Custom Liquid. Then copy this code. I will share the document in the comment section for you to get it. One important thing to remember here, you need to replace hashtag product ID and hashtag product handle with the actual ID and handle of the source product that you selected in the previous step. Once everything is updated, click Save. Don't forget to visit your store to see if the reviews are displayed or not. As you can see, this product originally has only 2 reviews, but there are 5 reviews shown including the shared ones. It helps improve trust, boost conversion rates, and keep your store looking consistent. And that's it. Now you can easily display the same reviews across multiple products without duplicating content manually. This method is perfect for similar products, different colors or styles, product bundles, or any items that share the same customer feedback. Give it a try today, and make your product reviews work smarter, not harder. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.